You are looking for a sleek design power bank with a durable battery that has a large capacity and impressive charging technology. The polymer 10,000 mAh Type-C PD22.5W Baseus Comet PPMD10 power bank promises not to disappoint you. Let's explore this product in today's video. The product has a luxurious design that is slim, lightweight, and easy to carry anywhere, suitable for all ages and easy to carry on all your journeys. With a charging efficiency of 60% and a large battery capacity of up to 10,000 mAh, you can charge your device multiple times. The Baseus Comet PPMD10 power bank also comes with a built-in Lightning and Type-C charging cable, which is compactly attached to the back of the power bank, making it more convenient for users when going out and avoiding losing the charging cable when storing it. It supports charging for various devices such as phones, tablets, headphones, and smartwatches. Type-C port 5V 2.4A, 9V 2.22A, 12V 1.5A. USB port 5V 2.4A. Type-C cable 5V 2.4A, 9V 2A, 10V 2.25A, SCP 12V 1.5A. Lightning cable 5V 2.4A, 9V 2.22A. Especially, the Baseus power bank can be used to charge iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, iPhone 15 Pro, and iPhone 15 Pro Max through the Type-C port, which is very convenient. With the display screen showing the remaining battery percentage, you can easily identify and quickly charge your power bank. As for the battery core, the product has a high-quality polymer battery core that limits energy leakage, ensuring safety for both the power bank and the device, storing a large amount of energy while still meeting the compact criteria. Overall, the Baseus Comet PPMD10 power bank stands out with its fast charging capability, LED display screen, and multi-device charging feature with 2 Lightning and Type-C charging ports. In addition, this product has a compact design, convenient to carry when traveling or on business trips. Why hesitate to own such a versatile power bank? And those are my personal reviews of the Polymer 10,000 mAh Type-C PD22.5W Baseus Comet PPMD10 power bank. If you like it, please leave a like, a comment, and remember to subscribe to the channel to support us in future videos. See you in the next video.